Hi. Have a guess where I am? Can you work it out? Hospital. Because I chopped my hand up with a star dropper. While I'm recording this, they've got me on fentanyl, so I'm a little bit all over the joint. So that's probably why. Hang on, I think I might have a sleep.
All right, here we go. What do you think? What do you guys reckon? This is his high school car. How stoked are you, mate? Good. So, what it is a 2006 Lexus IS250 luxury, sport luxury. So it's an IS250 sport luxury, and it has got every single bell and whistle you could probably hope to find on a Lexus.
That's a whole lot of motorbikes, isn't it? We're in Kapunda for the 24-hour trial. Done pretty good. Have a look at this.
Remember a really quick time from this guy, and of course he was the drifter in South Australian circuit. And it shows, have a look at that, kicks out the back of the Falcon. Now starts the wheel at the top end. Watch the slide right about here. Speed up, bottom end, go through the gas slower.
Well, that's because I bought another project car. I know, exciting, isn't it? As the green parrots make their noise. So the project car that I've got. Okay. All right. This is going to be a really interesting project. It's. Do you know what? I'll just show you. I think that's going to be the best way. Good God! You ready? Here we go. On this episode of the O2 Garage, we bought that, they were together, and then we pulled them apart, and it wasn't easy. This was an LX Torana. It was a 6-cylinder. It was an S-shaped Torana. So the paint of the car is absinthe yellow. Absinthe, the stuff you drink, the stuff that makes you cut your ears off. The trim is actually black vinyl. So I'll start at the back, CV4. My memory serves me correct, that's an open wheel 3.55 diff, so neither here nor there. M20 though is manual gearbox. It also has that really cool motor up front, which was the factory fitted 202. So this, despite its condition, is actually potentially a numbers matching Torana. Barn find hunting time, because it's that time of the year. The barn find auction is coming up, and I think we've found something. And it's a 2-seater. It's a pre-1980 vehicle. It's short wheelbase. It's eco-friendly because it runs on LP gas. It's got a whole lot of retro about it, and it's got a stack of custom touches. And what I'm thinking is, when we take it to the barn find auction with all the other cars that I know that are going to be there, this is going to stand out like a sore thumb. Sore thumb? Yeah, I don't know if everybody's going to like it. I think it's rad. You ready? Here we go.
Hello from hospital, the Royal Adelaide Hospital in Adelaide, more to be precise. Why am I here? Well, this is why I'm here. I smashed my hand, smashed it to the point where it's almost unrecognisable, and I'm hoping I'm going to be able to keep the finger. I might not be able to, I might only have 3, so we'll see what happens. I'm going into surgery this afternoon, haven't been eating for a while, I'm on drugs, so things are a little bit freaky for me at the moment. But needless to say, this is the reason why we haven't been working on cars much at the moment. And in the next couple of episodes will probably be more us checking cars out than actually going and working on cars. But that doesn't mean I can't order parts and I can't get things ready to fix up Tom's car and get stuff going on the Chrysler. So that's the reason why it happens. Talk to you soon. Well, I won't. I'll see you soon in the next episode. So hit like and subscribe. We'll catch up there.